I don't have 540 waves, man, and I dedicated a whole playlist to how to brush 540 waves, each angle. But for some reason, people still asking me to this day how to brush 540 waves, man. So it's on the right. I bring y'all to 2020 how to brush 540 waves, man. Don't get it twisted. But this for my people who came to me from the 540 waves. You feel me? This for the people I motivated to get 540 waves. It's on the right, man. I gotta bring y'all a 2020 edition on how to brush 540 waves. So let's get it.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's ya back. SwaggDrizzle, man. Aye. Look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, 540 waves, 360 waves, it don't matter. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. Look, when it comes down to having 540s, man, you have true 540s, your top have to be completely slanted in a 45-degree angle. In this video right now, I'm finna show you how I brush my 540s, man. So if you thinking about getting 540s, man, stay tuned. Alright, man, let's pipe up, man. When it comes down to my 540s top, man, I always start on my left side. Mainly because my left side is more 360 and I continue that flow all the way out like that right there, you see. The more I go to my right, you'll notice I slant it more, you feel me? So, and with 540s, man, true 540s have a slant, you feel me? You don't have the 360 top. And you'll notice, let me go back to my left side. You'll notice on my left side that 360, right? And pay attention, you mainly want to pay attention to the way I hold my brush. When I get to my right side, like this right here, I start holding it as like a vertical, and I continue that right side flow out, you feel me, from there. So yeah, that's the main two things that you really want to pay attention to. If your swirl go the other way, you'll mainly be doing this to you'll start on your right side, then work your way to your left. Like I said, it depends on a lot of, these just the basics of what I do, you feel me? So it depends on your crown placement and all that. So you want to keep all that in consideration, man. When breaking down the 540 wave pattern, bro, there are 3 angles that you must consider when you brushing your right side. This may vary if you got a counterclockwise swirl. I got a clockwise swirl. So if you got a counterclockwise swirl, it'll be your left side you're doing this too. So when breaking down that right side, man, there are 3 angles that you must consider. And that's in front of the ear, to the ear, and behind the ear. So let's get into it. The first angle that you want to do is in front of the ear, just like you're seeing right now. The next angle you want to work on is to the ear, right? The next puzzle piece to that is basically, it's brushing behind the ear, man. Just to recap this video, man, when you brushing your right side, you're gonna pinpoint everything off your ear. You want to brush in front of your ear, to your ear, and behind your ear, you feel me? So, you see the back of my head, right? You see it going down at like a 45-degree angle, you feel me? Don't pay the back of my head. Don't pay the back of my neck. No mind, man. I gotta get cut up, bro. But it's going down in a 45-degree angle. When I brush my 540s in the back, right, I vertical brush to my left side. Like how I did my sides, I don't really have a pinpoint. You feel me? I don't really have a pinpoint when I'm brushing my back waves. You feel me? I just brush at a 45-degree angle and then blend it in with my left side. So I start from my right back, right? I start from my right back, brush it down, boom, 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 and blend it on in with my left side, you feel me? The key to brushing your back side, man, is vertical brush. You got a vertical brush, bro. You get better progress when you vertical brush because all the bristles are connecting with the waves, you feel me? Like, hey look, when it comes down to brushing your left side, man, there are two things that I pinpoint my angles on, and that's my ear and my eye, you feel me? So keep that in mind. The first angle that I start with, and I always start with when it comes down to my left side, I always start with my left back, and from there, I work my way up to the ear, brushing like a vertical wave, as you can see like I'm doing right now. And the last way, I switch positions with my brush and I brush it straight out towards my eye. I would say a 360 type of stroke, but it's not really 360. It's just like a straight out stroke towards my eye. As I move to my top, I kind of strain it up, then I start shifting it. As you can see like I'm doing right now. That's what I mean, like it depends on how hard you shift your top and your back. You feel me? So. Okay, man, the way I brush my crown, man, first off, like I said, I never had a dope crown. Wait. Also, what I want y'all to keep in mind, your crown should be the first thing you spot when you starting a pattern, you feel me? In my opinion, the crown is what makes a dope pattern. You can be a person like me. I was flawless all the way around with 540s. But my crown went hen like that, you feel me? Some people say my crown went hen, but it went hen like how I wanted it to be hen. So yeah, you want to identify your crown first. People crown can be like on your left, right, center, top. You feel me? You just gotta find where your crown at and use what I'm about to show you to your advantage. Me, you feel me? But I always use something that we call the AG top method. You feel me? I don't know if AG the one that created it, but she the one that I got the method from, you feel me? So basically all you do is tap around your crown in a circle, as you can see I'm doing right now. It's kind of hard to do it in the camera. I tried to make it for y'all can see it, you feel me? So yeah, that's basically all you do is tap at your crown, boom, and keep tapping at it. In the way your pattern going too at the same time. You don't want to be tapping too crazy, you feel me? And yeah, that's basically how you get that crown tight, and how I got my crown to this point right here. But it's alright, you feel me? It ain't like how I wanted it, because I started analyzing my crown at the last minute. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, so y'all can know this method, man. Hey man, if this video helped you out, if I help you did much right here, man, I want you to hit the like button, man. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow what I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah. I just wanna win. Can I do that?